Okay, everyone, welcome back. Back to the 2005 Cadillac Escalade ESV. We had the check engine light just come on, and I replaced the intake gasket the other night. Check engine light stayed off for a while. Drove it, run perfect. The next day, got in it one more time, and check engine light was still off. And it was running perfect, and then for some reason it just started misfiring last night. So let's look over the scan tube. Show you how I start my morning off as well. Muscle milk and a piece of chocolate, because I hate breakfast. But let's see. These are all cars that I'm currently working on. I just go back and forth. Well, actually, the 06 Mercedes ML350 is gone. I'm still working on the AMG, the Escalade, the BMW, and the Caravan. Okay, let's go to the codes. Okay, we have the multiple misfire confirmed, multiple misfire pending, and the history. So seems like I've taken care of all the other issues, except I'm trying to get the evap system code to come back up, and for some reason it's not wanting to come back up. But the only thing we can do at this point is go back further than I did the other night, as to replacing the intake gasket and move to a compression test possibly, but I really don't think it's anything such as compression or valves or anything like that, because it's random, and it sometimes you get in it in the mornings and it runs perfectly fine. I don't see something like that causing that type of problem.